Hello everyone, I am Vaishnavi from grade 11, Lake Mountford School. So today I am here to teach you all on the tricks and mnemonics of the periodic table elements. So let's start. So as we are aware that the periodic table consists of 118 elements, in which today we will be learning only the group 1, group 2 and group 13 to 18 elements with mnemonics. So group 1 and group 2 elements are known as S block elements, while group 13 to 18 are known as the P block elements. So first we'll go with group 1 elements. Group 1 elements. They consist of alkali metals. So now what are these alkali metals? Let's know. They form hydroxides on reacting with water, which are strongly alkaline in nature. So these metals are reacted with water to form hydroxide, which are very much alkaline in nature. That's why they got the name as alkali metals. So next, we learn the mnemonics for this. So in this group 1, hydrogen is the first element as we see in the periodic table. But we didn't include hydrogen because it resembles the group 1 elements as well as the halogens. We don't know the right position for hydrogen, so we won't include it in the group 1 elements. So group 1 starts from lithium now. So for the elements in group 1 are lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium and francium. And the symbols are Li for lithium, sodium it is Na, for potassium it is K, for rubidium is Rb, for cesium it is Cs, and for francium it is Fr. The mnemonics for this is Lena, Key, Ruby, Say, Friendship. So there, as you see in this picture, there are two girls here. So let's take an example that she is Lena and she is Ruby. So they both are best friends. So that's what this mnemonics mean. So let's once remind the mnemonics. Lena, Key, Ruby, Safe, Friendship. Now let's go to group 2 elements. Group 2 elements, also known as alkaline earth metals. These metals are mostly found in the earth's crust and basic in nature. That's why they got the name alkaline earth metals. So let's learn the mnemonics for this. This group starts from beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium and radium. The symbol for this is Be, beryllium, Mg, magnesium, Ca, calcium, Sr, strontium, Ba, barium and Ra, radium. So the mnemonics for this is berry, mango, straw, basket, red. As you see in this picture, the strawberry is the berry, mango is there, and there is a straw basket which is in red color. So the basket is made up of straw and in red color. So this is the mnemonics for this table. Now let's go to group 13 elements. So group 13 elements are also known as boron family. So let's learn the mnemonics for this. So the group starts from boron, aluminium, gallium, indium, tellurium. The element symbol is boron for B, aluminium for Al, gallium for Ga, indium for In, and tellurium for Tl. So the mnemonics for this is Baguette. Baguette is nothing but a company of bags. As you see in this picture, there is a Baguette company's bag. So it's easy to remember it. Next is group 14 elements. 14 elements. So it is the carbon family. So let's learn the mnemonics for this. So the carbon family consists of carbon, silicon, germanium, tin and lead. So the symbols for this is carbon is C, silicon is Si, germanium is Ge, tin is Sn and lead is Pb. So the mnemonics for this is cute sisters get small problems. As you see in this picture, there are two sisters who always get small issues between them. So it's easy to remember this like this. So to remember these mnemonics, please remember the pictures, visualize those pictures so it will be easier for you to remember them. Next is group 15. Group 15 elements. It's nothing but the nitrogen family. So let's learn the mnemonics. The elements under nitrogen family are nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony, bismuth. Element symbols are nitrogen N, phosphorus P, arsenic As, antimony Sb, and bismuth Bi. So the mnemonics is nobody passed away, answer back. So let's visualize this picture. take an example that in a classroom there is an exam going on, and there is a last bench boy who's asking answers from the first bench people, like in front of him, whoever are there, he's asking answer from them. So you can visualize this picture that nobody is passing him the answer back. So next one is group 16 elements. The group 16 elements is the oxygen family. So let's learn the mnemonics of this group. So the elements are oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium, polonium. Symbol for oxygen is O, sulfur is S, selenium is Se, tellurium is Te, and polonium is Po. So the mnemonics for this is, oh, somebody should tell possible answer. So in a classroom, there are a group of children where teacher is asking the answer a question where the children need to answer the question. So no one knew the answer, so they were like, oh, somebody should answer this question anyhow, or else our teacher will give us some imposition. So like that. So you can visualize this picture and remember the mnemonics. So next is group 17 elements, which consist of halogens. So let's learn the mnemonics. The group starts from fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, and astatine. So the symbols are F for fluorine, Cl for chlorine, Br for bromine, I for iodine, As for astatine. So the mnemonics for this is fish can breathe in air. So let's go to next group, 18. Group 18 elements, also known as noble gases, inert gases, zero group, and even rare gases. You might be wondering why it's named with these many different names. So the reason is they are stable in their configuration and they don't react much with other elements. So let's learn the mnemonics for this. So the group starts from helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, and radon. The symbols are He for helium, Ne for neon, Ar for argon, Kr for krypton, Xe for xenon, and Rn for radon. So the mnemonics is he never arrives, car zero, run pay out. So let's visualize a picture where a group of kids are playing in the garden area. So they're playing cricket. So there is a batsman who always comes late. And whenever he comes late, he always gets ducked out. So he gets 0 runs in it. So that's an easy way to remember. So next is reactivity series of elements. On the reactivity series of elements. Yeah, so the first element is potassium, then followed by sodium, calcium, magnesium, aluminium, zinc, iron, lead, copper, mercury, silver, and gold. So mnemonics for this is Karina ne car manga, Alto Zen Ferrari, फिर भी क्यों मिली silver Audi. So this mnemonic means that Karina, she's a girl, so she wants to buy a car. So she thought of buying Alto, Zen, and Ferrari. These three are companies of different cars. But still, after having a plan of buying these three, she still bought a silver Audi. So that's the mnemonics. So the symbol for these elements are for potassium it is K, sodium it is Na, calcium it is Ca, for magnesium it is Mg, for aluminium it is Al, for zinc it is Zn, iron Fe, lead Pb, copper Cu, mercury is Hg, silver it is Ag, and gold it is Au. So these are the reactivity series of elements. And hope you all can remember these tricks easily and get good marks in your exam, and I hope I made it easy for you to remember these elements. Thank you and see you next time in the next video.